In this video, I'm going to show you how to safely remove your old dishwasher before installing the new one. If you're new here, I'm Nick and this is Fix All House Things, where I share real DIY projects to help homeowners to achieve professional results. So don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell and hit that like button. That's all I ask in return. Now let's get back to the project. First thing, open up and inspect your dishwasher. Might be attached just at the bottom. There are a couple of screws here and there, and many dishwashers have screws here. This is a very old dishwasher, so it doesn't have screws on the sides. So it only attached in the countertop in two places, here and here. Before we start physically removing the dishwasher, we have 3 points of contact that we need to disassemble first. So the first one is electrical wiring. This dishwasher is pretty easy. There is a plug and I can just unplug it. Now, if it's hardwired, what you have to do, first switch off the breakers and then disconnect hard wiring from the electrical box. In my case, I just unplug it. Second one is water supply. Most likely, you will have some sort of a valve, like here. So go ahead and turn it off. If it's pretty old valve, you might consider changing it later on. So be ready. If it's the old valve and it breaks, you might consider having a shark bite at least to change it. This one still works, but most likely we're going to change it later on as well. Now I still gonna do and shut off the main valve just to make sure that it doesn't leak. Now the last piece is the drain discharge. Usually it's attached to the P-trap. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna unscrew the screw and then disconnect the discharge. You might want to have a little bucket just to make sure that you discharge all the rest of the water right from here. So we have our bucket ready. Let's disconnect the drain. And there was a little bit of water in here, so make sure to drain it. If you have pretty old connections, you probably want to also hold the valve as well. Here I have some plumber's tape and I can just unscrew the nut. And again, be ready for leaks. Once you disconnect the electrical supply, water supply and discharge, it's time to disconnect the dishwasher. Very commonly, there are only two brackets connected at the top. Be careful when you put it out. In my case, this countertop will be changed, but if you have a new countertop, just make sure that you do not lift it up. In many cases, you will have to pull out horizontally because the spot inside is a little bit lower than your tiles or your flooring. So if you pull it out on the angle, it's gonna stuck under your countertop. So inspect your countertop. In my case, I just have to pull it out a little bit up and then horizontally. Also note, when you're going to be pulling it out, there will still be some water running from the pipes. So make sure you have some rugs. And now the dishwasher is fully disassembled. Alright, thanks for watching and until the next one.